Welcome to my video. Today, I will be teaching you how to shave with a razor. Do not attempt this at home or at your grandma's house, but you can do it at Walmart. Just make sure to get everybody's attention. Okay, so, first thing you'll need, kitten not included, shaving cream. Alright, so let's see, make sure you add just, okay, make sure you add just a little bit. Okay, only a little. Okay, only a little. Okay, now make sure the blade's off. Now see, some people recommend using water, but see, I'm going in like a savage, all right? Honestly, I wouldn't even recommend using water or even following my tutorial at that. All right, you ready? Ah, that's my artery. Ugh, that's pretty good.